We're here at Magi Mountain, which is located in Jiangsu, Ganzhou. It has one of the 4 major grottos in China. Can you see the little tower back there? Yeah, that's really cool. Wow. The mountain is named after its shape. For Magi, it literally means a wheat stack.
Since we got here, I've been amazed by the view.
The Buddhist mountain is mysteriously spectacular and fascinating.
麦积山保存着无数精美的佛像和壁画。
They are not only the invaluable artwork, but also the witness of history.
That's why the grottos are honored as the gallery of Eastern sculptures. Being up here is really like being in another world.
Look at the view. I feel like the fresh air and the picturesque view.
With all these details and colors, it really leaves you impressed that people were able to build this up here into the mountain.
麦积山不仅仅是一座山，更是一个文化瑰宝，一个心灵的寄托之地。
If you're interested in grottoes art and Chinese history,
那么你一定要参观麦积山，这是一个不容错过的地方，你肯定会被这座山所打动。